Notes on maintenance work. For safe and proper operation, it is essential that the pump is serviced and maintained at regular intervals by appropriately qualified personnel. Work on the electrical system may only be carried out by qualified electricians. The steps shown in the following video must be followed when preparing for maintenance and repair work. Switch off the pump and all components. Disconnect the pump from the supply voltage. Disconnect the pump from the air supply. Tools: calipers, 13mm wrench or socket, 5mm T-handle, torque wrench. The entire pump must be cleaned at regular intervals. This includes cleaning the surfaces and passages of the pump with a compressed air gun and a moistened cleaning cloth. Loosen and remove the hand knobs on the filter cover. Loosen the screws on the dust separator cover and remove it. Remove the filter cartridges. Loosen the nut and remove the dust separator. Loosen the screws on the air guide hood and remove it. Loosen the bolts on the end plate. Evenly screw 2 of the loosened bolts into the existing threaded holes to remove the end plate. Clean the rotor shaft and then remove the vanes from the slots in the rotor. Use compressed air to clean the rotor and housing. Wipe away excess grease from the rotor shaft and end shield. Depending on the condition of the ambient and intake air, the filter cartridge may become clogged. It must be cleaned with compressed air at intervals of every 40 to 200 hours. If the filter is clogged or damaged after the cleaning process, it must be replaced. The vane width must be checked every 3,000 operating hours or at least annually. Check the vanes for damage and measure the width. The minimum width must be adhered to, otherwise the vanes could break and damage the pump. When reinstalling the vanes, pay special attention to their orientation. The beveled edge should rest flush to the housing. Line up the guide pins and reinstall the end plate, securing with the bolts. Tighten the bolts with the respective torques. Lubricate the roller bearings with the specified grease every 2,000 operating hours. Reinstall the air guide hood using the screws. Tighten the screws with the respective torques. Check all gaskets and replace them if damaged. Insert the dust separator and tighten the nut hand tight. Reattach the dust separator cover using the screws. Tighten the screws to the specified torques. Insert both filter cartridges and the gasket. Install the filter cover and tighten it with the hand knobs. Original Becker parts provide optimal fit, long life, and high material quality, decreasing the risks of equipment failure.